In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get quicker playback in DaVinci Resolve. If you want your clip to play faster and move through the timeline more quickly, DaVinci Resolve makes that process very simple. This is useful when you want to create a sped-up effect, shorten a moment that feels too slow, or just make the pacing of your edit feel more energetic. The good news is that you can do it directly from the clip itself in just a few clicks. To begin, go to the clip you want to speed up in your timeline. Make sure you're selecting the correct clip before making any changes, especially if you're working in a project with multiple cuts placed close together. Once you've found the right clip, click on it so it becomes active and clearly selected. After that, right-click on the selected clip to open the context menu. This menu gives you access to several editing options related to that clip, and the one you want here is the speed setting. From the list, choose Change Clip Speed. When you click that, a settings window will appear, allowing you to control how fast or slow the clip plays back. In that window, look for the speed percentage. By default, normal playback is set to 100%. If you want quicker playback, simply increase that value to anything higher than 100%. For example, setting it to 150% will make the clip play faster than normal, while 200% will make it twice as fast. The higher the percentage, the quicker the playback will be. Once you've adjusted the speed, confirm the change, and your clip will now play back faster in the timeline. This can immediately change the feel of your edit, so it's a good idea to preview the result and make sure the new speed still looks smooth and fits the style you want. If the clip feels too fast, you can always go back and lower the percentage a bit until it looks right. Small adjustments often work best, especially if you're trying to keep motion natural while still increasing the pace. That's all it takes to get quicker playback in DaVinci Resolve. Select your clip, right-click it, open Change Clip Speed, and raise the speed above 100%. It's a fast and effective way to speed up your footage and improve the flow of your edit.